Welcome. My name is an Oukitel C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into test mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, then select power off, and once the phone turns off, you will then hold power key and volume down at the same time. From here, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. And we're now in the test mode, or as it's called here, factory mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options. Now it looks like volume down only scrolls down and up does nothing. And as you can see, you can do a couple different things. You can test the device either automatically or manually, view the test reports, see the version of the factory mode probably, see board version, power off, or reboot the device, and simply change the language of factory mode. Now whatever you will select, you will then need to confirm with power key. So I want to reboot the device and go back to Android. That's why I selected it, and once you press power, it confirms it, and now we need to simply wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.